Hey guys, it's Maymay and welcome to June of 2022 and our stamp club reveal. I cannot believe that it is June of 2022. This morning before I got out of bed, I thought to myself, we're literally days away from Christmas in July and I can't even wrap my head around it. So I'm really excited about that. This has nothing to do with Christmas, and interestingly, most of the time in the past on our stamp club, we have pretty much stuck to kind of masculine sets in June because of Father's Day. But this year we didn't do that. And some of you will be probably sad about it, but there's a reason we didn't. So if you may or may not know this, but our town that we live in, we're in Clanton, we're in Chilton County, Alabama, is known for peaches. I've never done a peach stamp set, and I had an influx of requests for it. Like, you can't even imagine. And then when Brenda started her channel and it was just peachy, everybody's like, you've got to get a peachy stamp set. And I agreed with you because I feel like we need one. And that's what we've done. And I will also tell you this, as a Chilton Countyite, I'm very picky about my peaches and how they look and how they taste and all that good stuff. So I'm hoping that you will see this as a really, really good peach set. We worked really hard to bring you exactly what our interpretation would be as Chilton Countyites. Is that a thing? I don't know. We'll make it a thing. All right. Always upside down. That is the point of the day. So are you ready to see it? I'm so excited for you to see it. This set is called Just Peachy. You knew it would be. And check this out. So this one gives you 3 peaches. Now what you got here is a peach with the stem going in one direction, okay, and then its little chubby side here. Then you've got a peach with the stem going in the other direction and its chubby side here, so you don't have to mirror stamp. I didn't want you to have to do that. And then the perfect half of a peach. Sylvia did exactly my idea of a half of a peach, and there it is. Now, you get a peach blossom. This is important because our county is known for peaches, and we drive all over town, and everywhere we go, we see peach blossoms. For the whole season, we will see these beautiful fields of peach blossom. So I had to give you the blossom. So you get it here on a stem, but you also get it here, and then little bitty ones in case you want to just load your card up with little blossoms. You even get tiny little leaves if you want to do that. You get this leaf as well as this leaf. And I have to tell you, this is my favorite leaf. When I see a peach like this and it has that little crooked leaf on top where it's just lifted up and just sitting there on top of that peach like a crown, I love it. And I wanted the perfect little leaf. I can't tell you how many times we edited this leaf to get it right, but that is the one we wanted. Now let's talk sentiments. So you could do a lot with peaches, but I wanted it to be card maker friendly. We could have said just a lot of things, but I didn't want that. I wanted it to be something you could use for your cards. So here's what we did. We did, you're the peachiest, which I think is so cute. Your kindness left me speechless with the peach in the middle. Just peachy, we had to do it right. And then I appreciate you, okay? And I want to show you something else. We gave you, we really appreciate you, okay? I really appreciate you. And we also gave you friend. You're the peachiest friend. Your kindness left me speechless, friend. I appreciate you, friend, or I really appreciate you. And I'm going to show you those in samples. So we gave you some sentiments that are card maker friendly. You know, we try to do that all the time. I love this set. I cannot get enough of it. Wait till you see the samples. Now, I will warn you. I'm alone this week. Shannon's on vacation. We worked on VBS all last week, so I didn't ask anybody to help me with samples. I did them by myself, so you just get mine. But in honor of Shannon, I had to do a slimline, right? Because Shannon is a slimline card lover. So I did one in honor of her, and check it out. I used the peach blossom stem, okay? I hung a big old right ready to pick peach. But one of my favorite things is I added this face. It's funny. We got some peaches for the store for our front window. And I'm going to show you what stamp set I used. I used our stamp set called, what is it called? Friendly Faces. It comes with all of these faces that you can use for so many different things. And I considered putting sunglasses on her, but I went with the little sleepy face because I was like, she's asleep on the vine. And then the sentiment that I put was, I really appreciate you, friend. Isn't that cute? And see how you can use those all together. So appreciate you is on the stamp set. And then I added I really and added friend there. Isn't that cute? I love this set. All right, there's that one. Then my second one is still wet, believe it or not. This one, I loved doing this. Now, I will tell you, the camera is not kind to my color pencil coloring. In person, it doesn't look quite as streaky. Like that looks super streaky right there. But I used my color pencils and I used my blender pencil, which I love so much, and like blended out the colors there. I wanted it to feel fuzzy, so that's why I left that texture in. And then you'll see here that I've got these little like droplets, the little water droplets. I also wanted the peaches to look juicy, right? And this one says, "Your kindness left me speechless." I just love how that one turned out. I hope you do too. And then finally, you know I had to do it, and I bet you're waiting to see if I did. I did. I used our basket. This is our basket that we did recently. It's the basket builder. And you know, we have the companions, but look how good this works with it. Did we think ahead for this? You know we did. Now, I did not add a handle to this one. There's a handle in the builder. I didn't add the handle because I didn't want it to get too busy. I was already going to be adding 3 peaches in this one here, plus the little tablecloth. The tablecloth and the basket are all from the basket builder set. We'll link all those for you guys below. And the rest is from the peach set. I just love You're the Peachiest. I should have put friend right there, but I didn't do it, but it would be cute. I love these guys. I'm noticing now I forgot to go back and do my white pen up here. I did this guy separate, and I need to put white pen on these guys too, but look how cute. I just love it. Listen, it's peach season around here. Actually, I'll be honest with you, summer peaches are good, but fall peaches are my favorite, so we're not quite to the fall peaches yet, but we will be. And I made this card with that linen paper that's so rich and thick, and it doesn't want to lay flat for you to see it, but look at that. All right, guys, let me bring the stamp set back over. This is it right here. Just peachy. If you think Brenda won't be playing with this one, you got another thing coming, right? Now, don't forget, each month we do a giveaway with our stamp sets. All you have to do to enter is post a project, any kind of project that uses this stamp set, in our customer gallery, and you are entered to win a $50 gift certificate. Now, we had a question last month, and I wanted to clarify this. We don't pick winners based on art. I believe that art is for everyone, and everyone has a different opinion of art. So we don't pick it based on the card. We pick the winner randomly. We just do a random.org that gets us a number that correlates with the card that we choose, or the person who entered. And that's how we do that. So you don't have a way of seeing that, of which card it was, but we always put the person's name in the description. And so if you want to go back and go through, you can. But just so you know, your entry is just you putting your project up. It is not about whose is the prettiest. We don't do that. I think everyone's is pretty. All right, check it out in our store now. Even if you're not in the club, you can pick up the peach set, and I'm in love. I hope you guys have a peachy weekend, and until next time, bye now.